Ain't nobody's down but us.
Hey my lovelies, Djanesha here, back again. And we're back with another freaking video. And as you can tell, we're doing this a little different this time because I'm not looking busted and disgusted on your screen. My hair is already done, and as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this nice, cute little natural hairstyle that'll last you for a week, hopefully. I did this yesterday, which was Sunday. Today is Monday, and I'm just getting out of work, so I wanted to come and record this intro for y'all. So it's a little different, you know. I surprised y'all, right? I know, I shocked y'all a little bit. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, and this is on old hair because I wasn't ready to wash my hair yet. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got this hairstyle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You better subscribe. I know you gonna subscribe. Matter of fact, go ahead and do it right now. I'm gonna wait. Oh, thank you. So, if you already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. And I will see you guys in the next freaking video. Bye. Alright you guys, so I had to do a voiceover. It just felt right. It just felt right. I needed to. It just didn't feel right posting a video without me talking. I love talking. So y'all gonna get this voiceover. Do y'all see the hang time? Like the hair is growing. It's just thin and unhealthy, but it is growing. So we're gonna start off this hairstyle by doing a zigzag part down the middle, which took a little minute, y'all. I'm not gonna even lie, it took a little minute, but with patience and the grace of God, we got that part together. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way. Y'all watching this, I just really need to go ahead and invest in one of those 3-part mirrors. I'm always doing my hair, so it's necessary, and I'm so tired of holding that darn mirror up with my hand. My hand be hurting. But y'all, we're gonna get this part together. After we finish doing the rough parting, I'm gonna go in with some braiding gel and line the part out and go in and just make that part as crispy as I can. Now I can't never get my part super crispy because I don't know, my hair type, my hair texture is just hard for me to get that super crisp line that I be seeing braiders get. So I just do what I can. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. Alright, so now that my part is like extra crispy to my liking, we're just gonna try to move all my hair to one side and like put gel on the base so it will stay out the way. So the goal and the plan was to do zigzag parts out like all throughout my head for each of the braids, but I was just not, it wasn't connecting in my brain on how to do that. So I just did a zigzag in the middle part and then straight back parts on the other braids on the sides. So that's what I'm doing right now, which was pretty easy, simple. Still need that 3-way mirror because look, now y'all can see all my junk in the background. Like, this is crazy. So all the parts came out decent. So now what we're gonna do is start braiding. If you don't know how to braid to the scalp, just watch me, and if you need someone to teach you, go find another YouTuber or someone else that can teach you because I can't. Like, it's hard to explain, but
I'm just going to go ahead and just take some Eco Styler gel just to make my base smooth. And then we're just going to braid it up, braid it to the scalp. And that's what we're going to do for each braid. I'm doing 4 braids all together.
I gotta say one that prays when bad days come. She won't run from the problem. She right here to something. Baby, this love is yours, don't forget it. It ain't in my heart to quit, no. But we can't quit this. Cause we set these vows for the rest of our life. And I know you with it. That's the vibe I'm getting. Oh, baby. I went fish far beyond the ruby. She lacks nothing in value. Baby, I'll always be about you. Baby, don't compromise. We can't compromise. When I'm feeling pain, baby, I know you down to throw some comfort on me. You got them praying hands, you lay them on me. All that encouragement you speaking, girl, you lay it on me. Cause you help the burdens on my back when it's weighing on me. All that discernment, who praying for me and who praying on me. A man that finds a wife, finds a good thing, so I keep it on me. I'ma keep her with me. I work fish far beyond the ruby. She lacks nothing in value. Baby, I'll always be about you.
Alright, you guys, so now that we're done braiding, I'm going to go ahead and put my braids inside of like little ponytails or whatever. But do y'all see the hang time? Do y'all see the hang time? It's just thin, and I just know I need to work on me internally for my hair to get thick or whatever. But I'm so excited to take y'all on that journey as well, because y'all know I'm going to be recording it. I love my hair. It just needs some TLC from the inside, that's all. And so I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges, and you know, my little 3-piece combo that I always do, the swoop in the middle and a swoop on each side. And I did something different. I tried to do my little sideburns because they growing out. I need to wax them. But y'all, after you done with all that, I let the hair sit. I did my edges, and y'all know the secret that I do. I use some waterproof mascara to blend in my little bald spots. Y'all know I'm balding on the side. I'm balding on the side, y'all. But I just use that just to blend my hair in a little bit so it won't look so sparse there. And I take some kinky Marley hair and I just make it into the buns on the 2 sides of my head. Now, if your hair is thick enough already, because like I have the length, it's just I don't have the thickness, y'all, and it sucks. But you just gonna use some fake hair and put it in there. But if you already got thick hair, you can just use your real hair for this and let that be your buns. And y'all, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you've been here before, thank you for coming back. And I will see you guys in the next freaking video. Bye.